Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the highly anticipated 2025 Chevrolet Camaro COPO ZL1. This legendary muscle car has been completely redesigned for the new model year, packing even more power, performance, and technology. Let's jump right in and see what this beast is all about. The first thing that strikes you about the 2025 Camaro COPO ZL1 is its aggressive and aerodynamic exterior design. The sleek lines and bold stance make it clear that this car is all about speed. Chevy has also incorporated some functional aerodynamic elements, like the larger front splitter and rear wing, to help generate downforce and keep the car planted at high speeds. Inside, the Camaro COPO ZL1 gets a driver-focused cockpit with a new steering wheel, instrument cluster, and center console. The seats are comfortable and supportive, even during hard cornering. While the overall interior design is more driver-focused, there's still enough space for a passenger to come along for the ride. Now for the part you've all been waiting for: the performance. The 2025 Camaro COPO ZL1 is powered by a monstrous supercharged V8 engine that delivers over 800 horsepower. This engine is paired with a quick shifting transmission that helps the car rocket from 0 to 60 mph in a blistering 3.5 seconds. The Camaro COPO ZL1 also comes with a number of performance-enhancing features, including a track-tuned suspension system, Brembo brakes, and a driver-selectable exhaust system. These features allow you to tailor the car's performance to your exact needs and driving style. Pricing for the 2025 Camaro COPO ZL1 has not yet been announced by Chevrolet. However, you can expect it to start around $100,000. This is a lot of money for a car, but for those who demand the ultimate in performance and muscle car heritage, the Camaro COPO ZL1 could be worth the price tag. So that's our look at the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro COPO ZL1. It's a truly amazing car that offers incredible performance, a stylish design, and a luxurious interior. If you're looking for the ultimate muscle car, the Camaro COPO ZL1 is definitely worth considering. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility, so always drive safe.